How to add a credit card to Cash App. First, open up your Cash App and tap your profile icon up in the top right corner. Scroll down a bit and tap on Linked Banks. Now, look closely at your options here. Do you see Link Credit Card? If you do, awesome, go ahead and tap it. But if you don't see it, don't panic. Cash App actually forces you to link a debit card first. So if it says Link Debit Card instead, just add your debit card now. As soon as you do, the credit card option will instantly unlock. Once you tap Link Credit Card, here is a quick heads up. Cash App charges a 3% fee every single time you send money using a credit card. That's exactly why they want you to use a debit card, because those are completely free. If you're totally cool with that fee, let's finish it up. Type in your credit card number, the expiration date, the 3-digit CVV, and your zip code. Finally, just smash that big green Link Card button at the bottom. And boom, you are completely good to go. If you still need to link that debit card first to unlock this screen, go ahead and click on my video, How to Add Debit Card to Cash App, popping up right here. Catch you over there.